You can have a video background like this, or another one like this, or even better one like this. Now, depending on your video, on the kind of content you're making on YouTube, so you need to have a background that resonates with your content. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use video as your video background on YouTube. So if that's what you're looking for on YouTube, so you're welcome on. My name is Sean Digital. Thank you for joining today's video, and if you are part of the family already, thank you so much for coming again to watch my video. I really appreciate that. So let's dive into the video where I'll show you how to use video as your video background on YouTube. Let's dive into it. So when you're in your browser like this, come to this part, search for Pixabay. All right, so search for that. All right, we're gonna see something like the Pixabay. Just search for it. When you search for Pixabay, the first one that you're going to come across, which is this, click on it. So once you click on it, now what we want to do is to download our video background from here. All right. So once you are here, all you just need to do is to come right here, change this from all images to videos. All right, click on it, then go right here and click on videos. Do that. Once you're done, then search for any kind of video you're looking for that you can use for your background. All right, so search. Let's say we want to search for city. Click OK, city. You're gonna go a little bit down, scroll down. You're gonna see different kind of city, so you can pick anyone that suits your video or your background. I mean the color, but you need to make sure that I don't know, the video you're doing would determine the background video you want to place there. And mind you, your clothes need to also go along with your video. You shouldn't be wearing something that is not too good. I mean, not too, because when you want to remove the background, it won't be difficult for you to do. So let's just pick one out of this. So let's say I want to pick this one. So when I click on this one, I'm going to wait for it to load. All right, so you can see this is the one I'm picking. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on download. So let's download it. Then click on download right here. You can also change the resolution. This is it. You can change it to depending on the quality you're looking for. So let's say I want to pick this one and I click download. All right, so let's wait for it to download. It's going to pop up another download button, which I'm going to press. All right, so I'm going to press download again and wait for it. Now our video is ready. You can see from here it says this is a video file. You can see open. We can open it to check it out. All right, so to see how it looks like, so you can play it. You see the video is set, so we're good to go. Let's go ahead and continue our video right now in my CapCut. So I'm going to show you how to use CapCut to join that video, the video we downloaded for Pixabay, and your own video together. But before we move on to joining the video, there's an update on CapCut that I need to show you. So if you come right here and click on expand, you are going to see another update. So from here you can also generate images, beautiful images with CapCut, and use it for your background. Although I've done a video on how to use picture as your background, but I'm also going to show you right here using CapCut images, AI images. So if you click on text to image right here, you're going to see something amazing. All right, so you're going to see something like this. You can either see create or showcase right here. These are the images I've generated already, and I'm going to do the same. You can see you can click on any of them to view the image and see what we have in there. So it's so beautiful, so beautiful. You can see so beautiful. So I can decide to use this as my video background, or use the video as video background also. So let me show you how to create it. So if you click on create right there, you can put your prompt here. You can see my prompt that I put here, and if you click on showcase, you can see other people's work right here. So you can see trained images that you can also use for your background if you need any of them. You can also see from realistic. Okay, so these are realistic images. All right, and from here you can see design, illustration. These are designs, these are illustration. All right, so that's for that. So let me show you how to generate. So click on create, then write whatever you want. So this is what this is a prompt that I wrote here. Ultra realistic, a luxury sitting room, model white marble oven with wide angle view, high-end modern luxury wide angle view, a pot of flower vase, and a TV console. All right, you can also add to it if you want to add to it. You can also add, maybe I can also decide to add a standing fan um and a wall clock. All right, so I want to put wall clock, standing fan, and standing fan. All right, so here let me just remove and so a flower vase, a TV console, a wall clock, and a standing fan. So hit on the button, generate. Let's see what we should get. All right. So let's wait for it. Sending, preparing our images, and we are good to go. All right. So, oh, great. Oh, great. So, I asked for, although I asked for a standing fan, but I'm not seeing it here. But no problem. Let's view it. You just keep generating until you have a perfect thing you want. This is word clock. You can see the word clock that I asked for is here. The word clock is also here, and there is a word clock here too, but I think it's too tiny. All right, so here we have a word clock, and I think the word clock is around here. So you can just pick from these images and place it on your background. So if I want to download any of them, I can just go ahead and say, okay, let's pick this one. So if I pick this one and I want to download, I'm just going to hit save right here. If I click on save, it's going to download the one I picked. All right, so it's saved already to my phone. So that's how to generate image on CapCut and use it for your background. So let me show you how to use it. All right, so let's cancel this. Let's click on new project. If you click on new project, then you are going to bring in the image. All right, so right here in new projects, all you just need to do is to click photo. Since I want to put that photo, click on photo, then click select the image that we just downloaded. Select that image. Once you select that, click on add. Right, so once you click on add, the first thing you want to do from here is to delete the CapCut end screen. So I'm going to delete this CapCut end screen. Click on it, then hit the delete button right here. So once I'm done with that, now I have the image. The next thing I want to do is to bring in the video, my video. So I'm going to hit this overlay. So once I hit overlay, click add overlay. All right, so once I click on add overlay, don't forget your photo. So I have to switch to video since I'm bringing in video this time around. So I'm going to click on video, then I'm going to pick my video, my home video, which I'm going to pick this. All right, but what you need to do to click on add, you need to make sure that your video has a background, an empty background like this. You can see this one. If I zoom it out, you can see this video. This my video has an empty background, right? You can have a video background like this. So you can see the background of my video that is just empty. so as when you want to remove the background, you won't find it difficult to do. So make sure you record your video on a plain background. All right, so that's for that. So but now you also need to make sure the size is correct. But you can see my size, the size that I have here, I don't think is correct. So what I need to do is to go ahead and hit this button, click on it. So from here, you're going to see aspect ratio. Click on aspect ratio, then click on 16:9, that is YouTube size. Then also click on OK. So click OK. Once you click on OK, you can see that the picture, it looks small now. So I'm going to click on the picture right here. Click on it. Go a little bit to the right, to the left, right hand side. Then click on basic. Click on basic. Click on scale. Zoom it out a little bit until you fill the screen. All right, until you fill the screen. So you can just take it up a little bit if you like. So if you like it this way, click OK. So we're good to go, right? So again, I'm gonna bring in the video. So I'm gonna click overlay once again. All right, click add overlay, then click the video that I want to bring in and hit the video, click add. So right now I have this. So also I'm gonna make sure that I have the video to cover the screen. So I'm going to do the same thing. Go to basic. Once you click on basic, just scale it out to full the screen. So once it's covered the screen, click OK. Now I want to remove the background. So I'm going to just go a little bit and see remove PG, click on it. Then auto remover, click on it. So right now I have removed the background, and before you do all of this, click OK. Before you do all of this, make sure that you've edited your video, you've correct the color grading, you've removed all errors and everything in the video before you go ahead and do this. So let's play it and see what we have in there.
You can have a video background like this, or another one like this, or even better one like this.
So now you see that the picture stopped here. So what I need to do is to click on the picture, the background picture, and hit the button from this angle. Long press this place. Once I long press it, then drag it to the part at which this one stopped. All right, so I'm going to drag it and make sure they're on the same side. So I think we're cool, right? So once you know that you're good, then the next thing is to just go ahead and save your video. You're done. But now let me show you how to put the video in the background. Again, I'm going to click on new project. So I want to show you how to use the video. So once I click new project, stay on video. Make sure you're on video. All right. So once you're on video, just click the video. So click add. So once you have a video like this, go to the right hand side and also remove the end screen of CapCut. Click on delete. All right, so again, we are going to click on overlay right here. Click on overlay, then add overlay once again. Then go to your video, pick your video that you've recorded, click on it, and click add. All right, again, the video need to cover the screen. So again, go to this side and click on basic. All right, click on basic, click scale, then scale it up a little bit. All right, so click OK. Then again, go back and look for remove BG, click on it. Then auto remover, click on it. Then allow it to do the job. All right, so once you're done, click on OK. Then you are good to go, so you can play your video.
You can have a video background like this, or another one like this, or even better one like this.
So that is how to do. You just go to the last part and make sure they're on the same size. So you see that, okay, you need to still adjust this to full the screen. So you can just go ahead and adjust this. So sometimes if you want to adjust it, it's not going to, it's not long enough. So what you need to do, just duplicate this video, your background, come right here, click on the background and come right here to duplicate. So once you see duplicate, click on it. It's going to duplicate the video for you. So just click on this last part. Make sure you're on the edge of your video, and make sure you've clicked on the background. Then go to the last part here and click on split. So now that you splitted it, click on this part, this last one, and hit the button delete. So right now they have the same size, so we're good. So that's how to put in background video as your background in your video. So the next thing you want to do is to click here to save your video. Once you've saved your video, then you're good to go. So I'm going to do that right here and click on it and then allow it to save, and that will be the end of the video. So if you have watched this video so far and you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Also, if you enjoyed the video that I've just made for you, you can also go ahead to like this video, and if you have any question, go to the comment section. Just go ahead and ask me whatever question that is bothering your heart. I'll be willing to answer you. Thank you. Till I come your way again. Bye for now.
You can have a video background like this, or another one like this, or even better